Welcome to Home Lifestyle and Decor. This is Seema and today I have planned to take you to my friend Vijita's place, and I hope you will love the traditional design style and the organized home.
Start, let me remind you again to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so. Just click on the subscribe button given below and you will not miss my weekly updates on home and garden decor. All set to start the home tour. Front door adorned with the traditional toran, and here she is with her warm welcoming smile. Two cabinets, an integral piece of furniture in every home, placed near the entrance of the house and well decorated. Wooden carved statue of Lord Ganesha as it is supposed to bring prosperity. Soft blue light illuminating the passage. Instant pop of color will brighten and re-energize any room. In the TV cabinet, you can see the German silver showpieces. Coordinated sofa and the carpet creates the focal point of the living room. This elegant layered corner table with storage space is a perfect complement to the arrangement. A well-placed accent light makes all the difference, casting a soft glow over the space. These wooden statues from Bhubaneswar, crafted to perfection and highlighted with stone settings, this sure is an eye-catcher. Cushions with Gautam Buddha figurines to have a serene ambience. Another corner table with wooden carvings and storage space to serve dual purpose, and the wooden clock to go with this. Compact corner for wash basin and washing machine, nicely organized and decorated. This lovely painting from Rajasthan adds to the charm. Now let's move to the dining area. Love the rotating stand at the center to organize everything neatly. Crockery unit just besides the dining table is always convenient. Small covered balcony provides some outdoor space and great view. This beautiful planter from Amazon provides some greenery, and here is the tulsi plant. Here you can see the souvenirs collected from across the world. As you can see here, bedrooms are done in minimalistic style, believing in less is more and giving a sense of space. From the window here you can have an amazing view of the city. Mandir placed in the guest room in one corner.
That's all for today. Thanks to Vidita for this tour, and I hope you all enjoyed this and got some ideas for your dream house. Bye.